So the problem I'm having this is when I keep putting this in here, it goes in, clicks in. This is the company, and now it's all the way in. So I'm just going to turn the water on. So what keeps happening is when I turn it on, and so as you can see, this keeps coming out. Every time I turn the water on, it's coming out. If I take this clip off, see the clip? Yeah. As I was pushing it right in. But what I need to do, is this. I need to put it in before I put the clip in. So now it's in, and I've got the clip in my hand. So where it's, got the two things going inside, I will just put it onto just where the clip, the thing goes in. So it stays like that, so you got the clip quite a bit out. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on again so you can see. Now as you can see, the water didn't come out, and I'm going to use the washer.